Beyonce for new diamonds, I told them they turn on the.
This is a Bloody Fathers exclusive.
I get the beats, I got beef in the cookie, be part of diamond, bitch, they sit on my wrist, they said it one side, they like keep us some cheese, I told them it's fucking my mama.
Hey guys, today I'm going to answer to some questions that you guys asked a lot. I made it as a video so it can help more people. Anyway, one of the most common questions that Android users asking is that when they're trying to download the game, it says your device isn't compatible. Well, if you ask me, the answer is in the question. It usually happens with weak and old devices. I have to say, if even in some way you were able to download it, the lag would make you delete it. But if you think your device is capable and it runs all the other games on high settings, you have to wait a bit and it will be supported. At the moment, for the last open beta, the supported devices were limited, so there is a high chance that you'll be able to play the game soon. If you search on YouTube, there will be millions of videos that saying do this and that. It's literally bullshit. Don't even waste a minute doing it. They all saying go to this link and they give a link for you to download the file and etc., but it will not work. The Android version currently works smooth like butter in some Android devices, so the global release shouldn't be far. Second question is what to do with the operation failed error. Well, if you've been following my channel, you know that CarX team said they closed the beta, but it doesn't mean no one can play. Even my Discord admin, Nightmare, is using an Android and we even made car meetings together. Now you probably think about how the fuck is playing if the beta got closed. The answer is you have to make your account verified in the game, and whoever haven't done it can't play. If you don't know how, I will put a link for you in description, so make sure you check that out. I hope that I have been made it clear. You have to make an account and verify it, and there isn't any way to fix it. You have to wait for now. The next question is what to do when the game crashes. Well, put the phone away and do push-ups, man. If it crashes, it simply means that there is a heat issue or most likely optimization. So again, you can try playing with a cooling fan, which you should. Otherwise, there is nothing to do about that. But don't worry, it will get fixed over updates. The next question is what to do if the game's stuck in a white screen. If you still have that problem and you're using an iOS device, it's because of optimization and you have to wait till it gets fixed. Or if you're an Android user and having that problem, it means your device is capable to run the game, but it's not supported in the beta. And as I said, the supported devices for the beta are limited. So again, it should get fixed in near future updates. Also, some people already have the game, but as they try to play the multiplayer, they can't connect to the server. It can be for using an unstable or slow internet. Try with Wi-Fi, and if it still didn't work, use some VPN, and you do not have to connect to Russia. Just connect to any country, try a different one, and try some different VPN. If all of that didn't work, well, I don't know what you should do. Anyway, if you have any other questions, comment down below, and I will read them all and make a video for the most common one. Also, if you don't like to wait, you can join my Discord server and ask the people there. We are literally about 3,000 members there, so I'm sure there will be someone to have an answer. And we're also doing some car meets there every once a while. Even if we didn't, there is a lot of active members. I'm sure you can find some lads to play. Anyway, I did made some subtitles for this video in other languages, and oh god, it took me so long, but I just wanted to say if there is some wrong words, it's because obviously I don't speak 50 languages, so I hope it's been helpful. And if you're watching till here, just tap that subscribe button, man. I don't know what you're waiting for. Also, if you need any in-game tutorials, there is a link in description which will take you to my playlist, which I have a bunch of tutorials. I don't make them for myself, so make sure you check them out. Anyway, thanks for choosing my video. See you in the next one. Also, this video doesn't end here. Hope you enjoy the gameplay.